definitely feel like being stupid today because I'm not very happy with myself right now. So by stupid, I mean like go fast, pretty much. I'm not dressed to do that though at all because we are currently under a heat advisory, which is awesome. So it's a little toasty out. Even this is a little too warm, to be honest. But I obviously have to wear something while riding. I just didn't wear any gear besides my usual, just because it's too hot. But I do want to be a little dumb today. But, however, I'm not going to, because riding based off of your emotions is not good. Don't do it. It leads to people getting hurt. Speaking from experience. So, if you're too mad to ride controllably, don't go. Find something else to do. I recommend lift weights. Quick update on the ZX-10R. So I realized the problem was the front brake light switch, the one with up at this handle. It was basically getting stuck. So like the bike would constantly think that those brakes were being pressed when they weren't. And the shorty lever that the previous owner has on didn't go back far enough. So when the lever wasn't engaged, the switch couldn't tell. So I tried to rig something on there to fix it. I broke the sensor in the process of playing with it, so I had to order a new one. $60 for a tiny little sensor. But once that gets here, I'm going to splice it onto the old plug, just because it's like the only way to unplug it for some reason is to take the fuel tank and probably the airbox too off of the bike, which I'm not doing. So instead, I'm just going to order a new piece and then cut it immediately and splice it onto the old one and hope that it works. Between the new plug and the thing I rigged on to get the lever to trigger it, hopefully it works. I'll find out in a couple days, and if it does, then I can take that bike to go get inspection, and it'll be legal, and then I'll take that out pretty much every video. That house looks really nice. I love that color combo. They still haven't even finished this. Awesome. We passed 3,600 subscribers, so thank you a lot for that. Welcome to the channel, everyone that's new. By the time you guys see this, that's going to be pretty far off. I hope at the rate it's been going, this will be pretty far off, and those people will have joined like a month ago. But regardless, thank you. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy it. I keep hitting all these potholes that they're not fixing. I was talking to the group chat, the group I used to ride with. I have a couple videos up with them, and I said that I wanted to bring the ZX-10 to their area and ride with them for a day, but I said once it gets legal, I want to come there and ride. And the only response I got was, I've never heard a leader bike owner caring if their bike was legal, which, pretty true. Usually they don't, just because you can't catch you. Their best chance is a helicopter, and those typically don't come out, so most leader bike owners don't really care. But with the things I have going on in life and what I do and stuff, kind of have to, unfortunately. So that still stands of, once I get it legalized, then I want to take it back there and have a little group ride. But I'll have to see if anybody else is interested. Hope you guys have been enjoying the 4K moto vlogs. Hopefully it's a pretty noticeable difference. But but the past couple ones I've been consistently getting them in 4K, so hoping it's a nice noticeable difference in the quality. Oh, it's green. Perfect. I did not expect that. Do I have to yield to anybody? Nope. Wow, look at that. I thought he was about to do it. I need to tighten my mirrors down, clearly, because anytime I go just slightly over the speed limit, like I just was, like around the 12 mile per hour mark. What's up, slow folks? They start folding in because the wind pushes them, which is weird because I'm not even going that fast. But like, I gotta fix that. Usually it was just the right one, but that time it was both. The reason I did that was because there was a kid in the backseat of the truck giving me like the Revit symbol. I don't know why I said symbol. Signal. Just going like this, so. I just had a kind of dark thought about how I upload videos like pretty far ahead of time. So like right now I have videos uploaded into August. Today's July 9th, and I have videos into August already. So like, I've thought about this multiple times, but it just hit me again. I could die, right? Whether it's I crashed on a bike or self-inflicted, something like that, you know? Like I could die. And it wouldn't seem like it for a little bit, because you're still gonna get stuff from me. You're still gonna keep getting videos for as long as they're already up. As long as they're scheduled, you're still gonna see those. So you guys might not know that anything happened for quite a while. Especially times when I have videos like 2 or 3 months ahead of time. I don't know, just the kind of stuff I think about. That's probably why I think about stuff like that. But gotta have some fun. Ooh. Does the slightly pimped out WRX want to race? I'm gonna go with no, but we're gonna catch up and find out. Or is it an STI? It has an STI spoiler on it, but it doesn't mean it is one. Because it's an Impreza. That would be why. All right. He's definitely not going to race. This road would be good for going kind of fast, but it's extremely bumpy and rough. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's not good quality at all. So, therefore, it's a horrible road to speed on. Oh, wow. There's nobody here. That surprises me. I should not have done that yet. Damn it. Now it probably looks like I broke down or something to people passing. But yeah, I'm back at the lake again. Shocker, right? But this is why. I'm cool, my turn signal's out. It's fun, I don't use these ones anyways. think this one's been long enough, probably. Not super eventful, unfortunately, but it's just a nice little ride. Little hangout sesh, you know, with a nice scenic ending. Hope you guys enjoy it. I really like coming here just for the view. It's a really nice backdrop for the bike, so I enjoy it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna make another one on the way home, and I think I'm gonna take that road I haven't taken before and see where it leads. So we'll see how that goes. It's probably a bad idea, but I'm full of those. So get lost with me next video, possibly. We're gonna find out. But again, thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.